Morning, it's Sam here from Lean Greens, and this is day one of our 28-day Upgrade Your Nutrition challenge. So the challenge I'm going to pick for today is upgrade your coffee. I'm going to start out nice and simple. So if you don't like coffee, tell us how you upgrade your tea. So remember, if you want to join along with us, you can either do this challenge or one of the other challenges on the 28-day plan, and just comment below and let us know what you've done, post a picture, and we might do some spot prizes today for the first people to share something. So we've got here just black coffee. So how could you upgrade your coffee? It kind of depends on how you drink your coffee at the moment, I suppose. I used to be a double tall skinny vanilla latte kind of girl, and over the years I moved on to espresso, and now I just drink black coffee. So if you do like a milky coffee, this first one is a coffee I normally make for friends when they come round and they normally drink milky coffees, and because I don't drink milk, I never have any milk in the fridge, so I started making them this, and I call it my magic coffee. If you want to look up some of the science behind it, you may have heard of a bulletproof coffee, and this is a little bit similar, but it's not got nearly as much of like the butter and the oils in it. So basically you take a cup of black coffee, and in it I am adding about half a teaspoon of coconut oil and half a teaspoon of butter. I'm not going to go into the debate of coconut oil and if it is good for you or not. I'll let you make your own decision about that. Everybody seems to have an opinion. I like it. So I stick this in my NutriBullet. Give it a and it makes a lovely, look, it looks like just like a milky coffee, doesn't it? And if we try not to make a mess and pour that out, it creates a lovely frothy coffee. It's really mellow and smooth, and most people, even if they do take sugar, find they don't need sugar in that. There you go. So that's my personal favourite. Next up, if you do like a sweeter coffee, another thing you could consider doing is if you have protein powder in the house. I've got some of our vanilla trim here, but you know, you could do it with any vanilla protein powder. You could also use a chocolate protein powder, and it makes the kind of mochaccino style coffee. So again, I'm gonna put the protein in first. I think you do not need very much. I'm gonna use like maybe a bit less than that. It's only a small cup of coffee, quarter of a scoop of protein powder. So this is going to create a really nice milky and slightly sweet frothy coffee again. Mix it up. I've already had a cup of coffee this morning, so by the time I've drunk these, I'm going to be flying. Awesome. You'll see it looks very much like the magic coffee, but even frothier. This is super smooth, super indulgent kind of coffee. Like I say, I've also made it with chocolate protein powder, and that makes the lovely mochaccino. And then finally, if you just like your coffee black, but you currently put sugar in it, try cinnamon instead. You can either add a little bit of ground cinnamon, but you do get that kind of like ground cinnamon because obviously it's not going to dissolve, it's just going to kind of sit on the surface. Or when we first moved to Portugal, and I used to drink espressos, and I used to need to put 2 sugars in my espresso, and then in one cafe they used to give you a cinnamon stick, and you just pop your cinnamon stick in your coffee and it just takes the edge off. It's not sweet, but it just takes away some of that bitterness that you can get from a black coffee. So there we go. There are 3 ideas for upgrading your morning coffee. Have a go, let us know, see what you can think of. Let me grab the Upgrade Your Nutrition challenge sheet. So just a reminder, if you haven't already, if you'd like a copy of this, send me a message below and I'll hook you up with that. And if today, if you don't fancy a coffee, pick something else on there, give it a try, and send us a picture or a video of what you've done today to #UpgradeYourNutrition. Thank you.